Welcome back to my YouTube channel. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ UGC NET ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ 2020 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. The first question is meaning of unpaid salaries. Here four options are given below. We have to choose the right answer from this. The question is option C. The person who has sold the goods and has not yet received the price. ಇಲ್ಲಿ unpaid seller ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನು ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಬಟ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಸೆಲ್ಲರ್ ನ ಅನ್ಪೇಯ್ಡ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Then the next question is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is an example of. Here four options are given below. The right answer is option B, social marketing. Then the next question is which type of study would be most appropriate to use in order to measure changed opinions of consumers repeatedly. The right answer is option C, longitudinal studies. Then the next question is which type of retailer involved in comparatively low prices as a major selling point combined with the reduced cost of doing business. The right answer is option B, discount retailers. Then the next question is telemarketing is a part of. The right answer is option C, direct marketing. Telemarketing is a part of direct marketing. Then the next question is after concept testing, a firm would engage in which of the following stage in developing and marketing a new product. The right answer is option B, marketing strategy development. Then is a marketer needs to be aware of the criteria by which the effectiveness of their segmentation procedures can be assessed. Which of the following is not a criterion of evaluating the resulting market segments? The right answer is option A, perishability. Then the next question is skimming in e-banking refers to. The right answer is option A, identifying the fraudsters copying vital information from credit cards. Then the next question is belated returns under section 139 subsection 4 can be filled at any time. Here four options are given below. So the right answer is option C, before the expiry of relevant assessment year or before the assessment is complete, whichever is easy earlier. The next question is tax audit is compulsory in case of a person is carrying on business whose gross turnover exceeds. Here four options are given below. So the right answer is option B, rupees 1 crore. The next question is beliefs, attitudes, tradition and expectation which are shared by group member is called. The right answer is option A, group norms. Then the next question is which of the following method of training is not a part of the job training method? The right answer is option C, apprenticeship. The next question is which of the following method of training is not a part of the job training method? The right answer is option C, apprenticeship. The next question is in a moderately sent distribution, which of the following equation indicates the relationship among mean, median and mode? The right answer is option B, mode is equal to 3 median and equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Then the next question is if on an average 2 customers arrive at a shopping mall per minute, what is the probability that is in a given minute exactly 3 customers will arrive? Here formula is given. The right answer for this question is option A is the right answer. The detailed solution for the given problem is here we are required to use probability using Poisson probability rule. The next question is goodness of fit of distribution is tested by. The right answer is option C, chi-square test. The next question is in a survey people are chosen from class friends or neighbors for the purpose of knowing their preference for a certain brand of soft drink is an example of. The right answer is option A, convenience sampling. The next question is which of the following is the most persuasive and sustaining objective of financial decision making? The right answer is option A, profit maximization. The next question is political risk management comes in the ambit of which of the following financial decision? The right answer is option D, multinational capital budgeting. The next question is as follows. When current ratio is 2:1 and if equal increase in current asset and client liability would result in. Here four options are given below. We have to choose the right answer from this. The right answer for this question is option C, decrease in current ratio. Then the next question is which one of the following is a correct equation? Here four options are given below. The right answer is option C, opening capital is equal to closing capital minus drawings minus additional capital plus profit. The next question is in penetration pricing, a business firm seeks to access deeper market penetration by keeping prices. Here four options are given below. The right answer is option C, low. Next question is suboptimal allocation of resources under monopoly to cause social welfare loss is often inferred as trade price is fixed by the government, parity pricing is fixed by landed cost of import, competitive price, liberalized economy, discriminating price, public enterprises. So the right answer is option D is the right answer for this question. Then the next question is sample design involves the following. Here various options are given. Which one of the following sequence is correct? The first sequence is type of universe. Then the next one is sampling unit. Third one is source list. Fourth one is size of sample. And the fifth one is sampling procedures. So the right answer is option C. The next one is which one of the following is not a measure of dispersion? The right answer for this question is option A, quartile. It is not a measure of dispersion. Then the next one is if bxy is equal to 0.25 and byx is equal to 0.64, correlation coefficient is. Here 4 options are given below. The right answer is option B, 0.40. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾವನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ರೂಟ್ bxy ಇಂಟು byx ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಟ್ 0.25 ಇಂಟು 0.64 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 0. something ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೂಟನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 0.40 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾವನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ರೂಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. Here 4 options are given below. The right answer is option A, number of classes in a continuous distribution. The next question is which of the following software has applications in both mathematics and statistics? Here 4 options are given below. The right answer is option D, none of the above. Because ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಸಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ಗಳು ಸಹ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ. Then the next question is match the following. First one is the practice of management is propounded by Peter F. Drucker. Philosophy of management is given by Oliver Sheldon. Then scientific management is given by F. W. Taylor. General and industrial administration is given by Henry Fayol. The right answer for this question is option B. Then the next question is assertion. All decision taken through mental process are rational. Reason for this, decision making is a mental process. The right answer is option A. Reason is correct, but assertion is not correct. The next question is who among the following developed the technique of management by expectation? The right answer is option B, Lester or Bittel. He developed the technique of management by exception in the year 1964. Then the next question is which among the following are part of job description? The right answer is option A. It involves duties performed, job summary, job identification and supervision given. These are the parts of job description. The next question is appointment of independent directors is a part of corporate governance as per the 4 options are given below. The right answer is option A, SEBI. Here SEBI stands for Security Exchange Board of India. Then the next question is a method for achieving maximum market responses from limited marketing resources by reorganizing differences in the response characteristics of various parts of the market is known as. The right answer is option C, market segmentation. The next question is who plays their significant role in distribution of goods when they do not sell to ultimate user or consumer? The right answer is option B, wholesaler. Then the next question is in marketing mix which 4 P's are covered? The right answer is option A, product, price, place, promotion. 4 P's are given by McCarthy. The next question is which research includes all type of researcher into human motives when it refers to qualitative research designed to uncover consumer subconsciousness or hidden motivation? The right answer is option A, motivational research. Then the next question is false and misleading claims and vulgarity in advertisement do not match with. The right answer is option B, ethics in advertising. The next question is arrange the following steps involved in capital budgeting in order of their occurrence. Here various options are given. The first step involved in capital budgeting is project generation. Then the second step is project appraisal. Then the third step is project selection. Fourth step is project execution. Then the fifth step is follow. So the right answer is option B. Then the next question is which method does not consider the time value of money? The right answer is option C, average rate of return. It does not consider the time value of money. Then the next question is which formula is used to measure the degree of operating leverage? The right answer is option A, EBIT divided by sales, or percentage changes in EBIT divided by percentage changes in sales is used to calculate the degree of operating leverage. Then the next question is, which one is more appropriate for cost of retained earnings? The right answer is option B, opportunity cost to the firm. The next question is, match the following with the most suitable option. Modigliani-Miller is related to capital, net operating income approach is related to arbitrage, short-term money market instrument is refers to commercial paper, factoring is related to working capital. So the right answer is option B. Then the next question is, during which plan was the National Apprenticeship Training Scheme introduced? The right answer is option 2, second 5-year plan. The next question is, match the following. List 1 is given and list 2 is given. The first one is, an ordinary person does not want to work on his own is related to theory X. An individual is willing to work on his own is related to theory Y. Motivational factor is related to hygiene theory. Esteem need is related to hierarchy theory. The right answer for this question is option D. Then the next question is, arrange the following staffing procedure in the correct sequence. Here sequence are given and options are given. The right answer is option A. The first sequence is null specification. Then the next one is determining sources of personal supply. Then the third one is determining personal characteristics. Fourth one is selection of personnel. These are the sequence of the staffing procedure. Then the next question is, which among the following is not a voluntary method of prevention and settlement of dispute? The right answer is option D, works committee. Then the next question is, statement 1. It is no better to pay employees for little than to pay too much. This is the true statement. Then the second statement is, competent employees will remain competent forever. This is the false statement. So the right answer is option A. Statement is true, but statement second is false. Then the next question is, match the following. Credit control is done by RBI. Corporate control is done by MCA. IPO control is done by SEBI. Here IPO stands for initial public offering. ULIP control is done by IRDA. The full form of IRDA is Insurance Regulatory Development Authority. Which one among the following has not started commercial banking? Here 4 options are given below. The right answer is option A, SIDBI. SIDBI stands for Small Industry Development Bank of India. It is established in the year 1990. The headquarters of SIDBI located in Lucknow, and it only provides financial assistance to MSME sectors. The next question is, what is OTP in credit transactions? The right answer is option C, one-time password. OTP stands for one-time password. The next question is, the power of Controller of Capital Issues of India is now shifted to? The right answer is option B, SEBI, Securities Exchange Board of India. Then the next question is, the success of e-banking depends upon? Here various options are given. We have to choose the right answer. The right answer is option B. The success of e-banking depends upon multi-layer security system, risk and surveillance management, updated flawless softwares. Then the next question is, international liquidity comprises which 4 of the following? Here various options are given below and various codes are given below. We have to choose the right answer from this. The right answer is option C. International liquidity comprises gold held by central banks, forex reserve held by commercial banks, special drawing rights, and credit facilities available under swap. The next question is, which among the following important bodies of WTO? Here WTO stands for World Trade Organization. Various options are given and 4 combination is given. The right answer is option C. The important bodies of World Trade Organization are Dispute Settlement Body, then Trade Policy Review Body, Council for Trade in Goods, and Council for Trade Related Aspect of Intellectual Property Rights. Then the next question is, which one is not the source of external finance? Here 4 options are given. The right answer is option A, WTO funds. These are the not sources of external finance. The next question is, which one is called Bretton Woods pins? Here 4 options are given. The Bretton Woods pins are IMF and IBRD. Here IMF stands for International Monetary Fund and IBRD stands for International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. It came into existence in the year 1944. IDA came into existence in the year 1960 and IFC came into the existence in the year 1956. Then the next question is, UNCTAD stands for? The right answer is option C, United Nations Conference on Trade and Development.